Say cheese. Spin down.
Cheese.
Look in the camera. See where you see your face. Do something silly.
Alien.
Hey everybody, thank you for joining us at Our Gold Road. This is our debut video here on YouTube and we're really excited to share our family videos. We've been doing this stuff for about 2 years now, camping on the road in this little trailer, and we want to share these videos with you. To be honest with you, I recorded this intro about 5 or 6 times and it didn't feel authentic. It felt like I was saying stuff that I should say, but I really want the video to speak for itself. So I'm going to stop talking right now and let y'all enjoy the video, and I will see you after the show.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Pedernales Falls. I farted on you.
Thanks for taking the time to come by our channel. Give us the thumbs up if you liked that video. Leave a comment below because we would love to hear from you. And subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more of our fun family videos. Safe travels on your next adventure, and we'll see you next time on Our Gold Road.